What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the best Clickbank products to promote in 2018.
Hey there, you tryna stand up on your own 2 feet.
But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. So yeah guys, let's get right into this video. Surprisingly, this has been a very highly requested video that I've been getting a lot of people requesting me to make, like what kind of niche I should get into, what kind of product I should promote. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys what my thought process is when I'm actually considering choosing an affiliate product and how I analyze each product that actually helps me decide, which product to promote. So we're just going to jump right into it today. You could see all the categories here, and that's obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is actually choose your niche. So personally, what I recommend for a beginner to intermediate start out with is actually choosing an affiliate product that targets a specific pain point. So the three categories that target pain points are health, wealth, and love. And so these niches include dating, these niches include investing, weight loss. All of these niches are examples that target certain pain points that people can find value in and actually buy the product. So, we're gonna look right into it here. So the categories I recommend you guys look into when you're figuring out which niche to choose from is either business, that targets wealth. I also recommend e-business and e-marketing. That's also in the wealth niche. Health and fitness. There's also green products, and self-help is actually a great niche as well. So those are the ones that I recommend. Now, after you choose your niche, so let's say, for example, we go to business and investing. I personally really like this niche. So when I'm picking a product, okay, the first thing I look at before I even look at the product that I'm promoting is what is the gravity score of this product? And you can actually find that in this section right here. So the minimum gravity score, and if you guys didn't know what gravity score meant already, it essentially indicates the amount of affiliates that are successfully selling that product. So obviously the higher it is, the more people are actually buying that product. And that's a good sign because that means that you're more likely to actually get a conversion from promoting that product. So you can see here the gravity score is 36.32, and the minimum gravity score I recommend for you guys is around 25 to 30 because that means that that product is actually selling pretty well, and that just increases the likelihood of actually me being able to get a sale with selling a Clickbank product. So after you look at the gravity score, after you look at the product you're promoting, the next thing you want to look at is if it has a rebill sale. Now, these don't actually have it here, none of these that I see right here, but this one does, okay? So for this crypto formula Clickbank product, you can see the average rebill total is $533.72. That means affiliates are making that much, and you can see if it has a rebill from this little blue icon right here. That means recurring commission, and that essentially means that you actually get paid every time that person decides to keep that product each month. And the reason why the average rebill is so high is because they have upcharges as well. So that means if somebody were to upgrade to the next tier, or if they were to upgrade their plan, then whatever plan they decide to choose from, then you actually get paid a portion of whatever plan they actually decide to purchase. And that's the great thing I love about recurring commissions with upcharges, because it's pretty much like a never-ending cycle where you can literally go from a monthly upcharge in your earnings while getting paid every single month as well on top of that. So that's the benefit of choosing upcharges with a recurring commission. And I wish they sold a lot more products that had both, but you can see that the average sale is 60%, and that's the next thing I actually look at is the percent sale that is going for, and 60% is that's probably the recommend you guys shoot for is 60%. That means that product is actually selling pretty good. And so after you look at the gravity of the product, the average rebill total, and the average percent sale, the next thing you want to check out just to make sure that everything checks out correctly is you want to look at the landing page of the product, okay? And that's one of the most important parts, because again, this is more so to put yourself in the customer's shoes, because you don't want to sell like a garbage product that is going to get refunded. And that's why a landing page is super crucial in the selling process, because it pretty much indicates whether the product is outdated, whether the product is flawed, or it looks scammy. Then that's probably a product I'd stay away from, right? So again, this one has a very clean landing page. You can see you can be earning up to $3,000 per day. Very nice copy on the landing page. And yeah, this is a very neat landing page for the customer to look at. That'll just incentivize somebody to actually put their email in, put their name in, and eventually purchase the product. So definitely a great product right here to promote. And so yeah, this was just a quick video I wanted to make so you actually, get a better understanding of which affiliate product you should promote, what kind of details you need to pay attention to, because in my opinion, that's a very important part when you're actually choosing the right product to promote. And so yeah, guys, make sure your checklist meets those requirements when you're choosing your affiliate product. So make sure it has a gravity score of at least 30. 25 you could get away with, but I actually prefer recurring commissions for my preference with affiliate products, which is the blue icon right here. And then you want to look at the average percent sale that you're going to be getting from the Clickbank product. So 60 is the minimum I recommend you guys choose from. Obviously the average sale needs to be pretty well as well. You don't want to promote a product that's like $10 with no upcharges or recurring commissions. So this one passes that requirement as well. Lastly, you want to look at the landing page, okay? And you can see here, this one's very clean. It looks up to date. It looks very nice. So yeah, guys, these are the little details I look at when I'm choosing affiliate products to promote. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care.
Stumbling through the sky.